I'm currently north of Salmon Arm, British Columbia, at the Adams River, one of the most important spawning rivers for sockeye salmon. It's an absolutely gorgeous October day, almost no clouds, and it's kind of warm even. This is incredible. And it's absolutely filled with salmon this year because it's a dominant year, which means millions of salmon come from the Pacific Ocean and swim all the way back to the waters they were born in to spawn. It takes the salmon only 17 days to swim up here from the Pacific Ocean, and it's during the swim upstream that they change colors to their vibrant red and green. These salmon cover a round trip of over 4,000 kilometers when they start in the Adams River, then the South Thompson River, then enter the Fraser River, and finally the Pacific, where they can swim as far north as Alaska. The neutral pH and water temperature combined with the rocky bottom make the Adams River ideal for sockeye spawning.
This beautiful spectacle of their amazing life cycle is something that must be witnessed. Salmon are a massive part of the environment and culture of BC, and it felt special to have seen this. Want to see how I made this video?
I don't have money for an expensive water housing for my camera, so I thought of an ingenious way to get my camera in the river and next to the salmon by simply using a fish tank. I can put my camera in the fish tank, I can even weigh it down with rocks, and I can put that in the water, and I can even get an over-under. I can get half sky, half water, and I can get really close to the salmon and just get these absolutely beautiful shots right next to them. And I couldn't be more pleased with how simple a fish tank is, and it's inexpensive, and to get your camera in and under the water, that's pretty cool.